Before you begin, remove the display panel assembly and battery. Removal. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the volume board ZIF connector and disconnect the volume board ribbon cable from the system board. Remove the volume board ribbon cable from the adhesive that secures it to the display enclosure. Remove the two 2mm P0 Phillips head screws that secure the volume board to the display enclosure. Lift the volume board off of the alignment pins on the display enclosure and remove. Replacement. Place the volume board onto the alignment pins on the display enclosure. Replace the two 2mm P0 Phillips head screws that secure the volume board to the display enclosure. Insert the volume board ribbon cable into the volume board ZIF connector on the system board and press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place. Apply pressure to the length of the volume board ribbon cable to adhere it to the display enclosure.